Now, the 3D printing industry is a major sector here for GITEX 2016 with representations from all the key areas of retail, development and engineering. And it's an industry that's set to grow to $13.4 billion worldwide by the year 2018. In 2015 alone, 44,000 visitors came to GITEX looking for 3D printing solutions, and this year has already passed that number. But the important question is this: has the industry lost its reputation for novelty?
We are in metal 3D printing, we're not producing toys and prototypes, we are producing functional end-use parts that go as brackets and engine components on aircrafts, Boeing and Airbus, and as space mission engine components for NASA.
So there we go. Certainly in the aviation industry, 3D printing has already lost its novelty status. In fact, in aviation alone, they've been exploring the concept of 3D printing since the late 1980s. Reducing the weight of aircraft has led to an 84% reduction in fuel costs and operational costs. But do those benefits also translate to other manufacturing sectors?
We did prototyping at EOS for more than 25 years now, but at this time we see that the market is completely changing and people are relying on our technology. They see, okay, the speed is fine, the quality is perfect. So people don't think of just prototyping now. They start to use the printed parts in the real production series.
Now, the 3D printing market in the medical industry is already growing at an amazing rate, from $72 million in 2013 to $129 million just 1 year later. One medical organization already routinely prints with 3D. Médecins Sans Frontières print 3D pop-up hospitals that they take to disaster and emergency situations. And this week in the Gulf News, surgeons are looking to the future and announced that they're looking to use 3D printed working organs in operations. And the reality for that is already very close.
Actually, what we are working on 3D printed prosthetics that we have brought from Pakistan. And as you can see here, we have brought these 3D printed artificial limbs here. And yeah, it is. Because there are more than 1 billion people all over the world who are just having these sort of amputations, and they are getting low in confidence and they're hiding themselves in their houses. So we are not getting to know them. So it is a future market.
And along with all that high-tech medical and industrial development and application, there's the home consumer market. It's emerging and it's growing demand very fast.
We have an increased use of consumer using the 3Doodler, which is the starting point for 3D printing, but we see a very good uptake on the educational side for desktop printers. And with the launch of the Ultimaker 3 now, we're going into the industrial segment of the market where there's huge potentials.
Now, for the latest market information and analysis of the 3D sector and all its applications, head right now to gitex.com.